Now we take a look at just how jazzy the new Honda is.
Hi guys, welcome to the Rev Check. Today's topic, the danger from the east. What? I'm talking about cars. In Germany, car manufacturers need to produce electric cars or hybrid cars. And that's where we come back to the danger from the east. Because car manufacturers from the east, they started building hybrid vehicles way before German car manufacturers did. That means their technology is more advanced than that of the German manufacturers. And today, Honda invited me to take a look at their newest product, the Honda Jazz 2020. And this one will only be available as a hybrid.
The compact car with minivan ambitions has a modern but not too futuristic look to it.
I once owned a Honda as well. It was a Civic, like around 10 years ago, and it had what Honda calls the magic seats in the back. I wonder if this one has these as well. Moment of truth. Yes. Nice. That's exactly how it worked back then in the Civic. Gives you a great loading height, but it has more advantages, which you can only see when you're at the truck.
Folding away the magic seats creates an almost flat loading surface, which is very practical for transporting larger items.
Yeah, the weather is not exactly nice. It's raining outside, not what you'd want if you are testing a car. It's even worse for the cameraman that wanted to do some pictures of the car driving by, but that's how it is. So let's take a look at the inside of the car. If I check out the infotainment system, I really like it. It's really smooth if you operate it. If I compare it to other infotainment systems of other manufacturers that have cars that are, I'd say, double the price or even more, those do not exactly work that smooth sometimes, so really props to Honda for that.
But now let's talk about engines.
There are three types of hybrid drivetrains: mild hybrid, full hybrid and plug-in hybrid. Mild hybrid is usually a generator that only helps the combustion engine while overtaking or while accelerating, but it cannot drive the car on its own. Full hybrid can, on the other hand, do that. So you can go purely electric for a few kilometers. And then the plug-in hybrid, which is like the highest form of hybrid vehicle, because those can be plugged in, have a rather big battery and can therefore drive 30, 50, maybe even 60, 70 kilometers without emitting any CO2.
The Jazz is a full hybrid, but works a little differently. The main purpose of the combustion engine is to power one of the two electric motors, which then in turn generates electricity to drive the car. But the combustion engine can also be automatically connected directly to the wheels to achieve higher speeds.
Driving the Honda Jazz is a quite pleasant experience. The seats are comfortable, and if you're not driving too fast, there's nothing to worry about. But we're driving 70 right now, and if I step on the gas, the car gets really loud, but it doesn't really accelerate very much. But then again, the Jazz is a car that is designed for the city, and that's where he feels most comfortable. To sum it up, I think the Honda Jazz is a really good car. And that brings us back to the opening headline, the danger from the east, because this car has a really good working hybrid system, a smooth as hell infotainment system, and quite a decent look to it. That's why I think German car manufacturers should really consider building small cars with hybrid drivetrains, because right now I think there are almost none of these.
Rev says a slick little package thanks to the infotainment system, the hybrid drive, and ample cargo capacity. but the modest power does mean a little letdown for pure driving experience. So don't let the noise when accelerating fool you.